Hello dear students, very good morning. Welcome back to e-learning program initiated by Vidyadrish Vidya Sankul under the guidance of Dr. G.M. Suttariya sir. So this is the 34th lecture and second lecture of this unit number 2. Right? In previous lecture we have done two sums. Right? In that we have discussed the debentures issued at par and debentures issued at premium. Today we are going to discuss the debenture issued at discount. Right? So, for this we'll also do one question. Illustration will be your homework because that will be easy for you to solve the illustration. Right? So, please open page number 112, question number 6. So, Pashwadal String Limited issued 15,000 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at a price of 80. See, at a price of 80, that means 20 rupees is discount, right? The amount per debenture was payable as under 25 with application, 35 on allotment after discount. That means the original amount is 55. Right? So into bracket, please write down 55 minus 20. 55 will come in capital and 20 will come in discount. Right? Please write in the bracket of allotment. Right? Then rupees 20 on call. The company received applications for 15,000 debentures. That means no oversubscription. Right? The company received the full money called on allotment and received full amount on call except call on 800 debentures. That means please do a tick mark on final call. Final call એમાં તમારે tick mark કરવાનું છે because there is call in arrears and in allotment into bracket you have to write this 55 minus 20 because they have given rupees 35 on allotment after discount. That means in 35 discount is already subtracted. That's why we have to add to find the original amount, right? So only 3 installment, that's why we have to do 6 journal entries, right? So please draw a format of journal entry for one page. Date, particulars, LF, debit rupees and credit rupees. So the first entry will be for receiving application money. So the entry will be first bank account debit to 9% debenture application account. Amount is 15,000 into 25. Right? So the amount will be 3,75,000. Into bracket we have to write bill application money were received from 15,000 debentures, 15,000 applicants or applications. Bracket over, underline, label line. The next one will be for transferring. The transferring entry will be 9% debenture application account debit to 9% debenture account. The amount will be 3,75,000, 3,75,000, because no additional application, that means no more subscription, right? Into bracket B, application money were transferred to debenture account. Bracket over, underline, label line the next. But before discussing next, write down this. Okay, next. The next one will be for allotment. But in allotment there is discount. As we were crediting premium, right? We have to debit discount. Premium account always credit करवाना, discount account always debit करवाना. Next one will be for demand. So the entry will be 9% debenture allotment account debit then we have to debit debenture discount account. Discount એટલે કે amount reduce થાય એટલે એનું account debit કરવાનું. Premium ના લીધે amount increase થાય એટલે એનું account credit કરવાનું. To 9% debenture account. So total we have demanded 35 rupees, right? On this we have given 220 rupees discount. So in debenture account we have to write 55. 55 minus 20, that means we'll receive only 35 rupees, right? The entry will be 5,25,000 and 3 lakh. 5,25,000, 3 lakh, 8,25,000. Into bracket we have to write bin allotment money were demanded from 15,000 debenture holders or debentures. Bracket over, underline, leave one line, then the fourth one. Fourth one, in this there is no calling areas, right? We have not made any tick mark. So the entry will be bank account debit 2. 9% debenture allotment account. Right? In allotment, we have debited 5,25,000. That means we'll receive 5,25,000. Into bracket, we have to write B. Allotment money were received fully. Bracket over, underline, lay one line the next. But before discussing next, write down this two. Done? Now the next two entries will be for final call. In final call, we have not given discount, right? So we will not give that. So the fifth entry will be 9% debenture call account debit. Amount that we have demanded is 20. So 3 lakh to 9% debenture account. Bill call money were demanded from 15,000 debenture holders. Right? Now, there is call in arrears. So we have to debit bank account. Also, we have to debit call in arrears account. 2. 9% debenture call account. Total we have demanded 3 lakh rupees. Out of that, there is one person whose name is not given. Only they have given that accept call on 800 debentures. That means we have not received 800 into 20 rupees. So the answer will be 16,000. That means we have received 2,84,000 rupees on this call. Right? Into bracket we have to write bill call money were received except 800 debentures. Underline, then do the total by yourself. Well, here we have completed this sub, right? Write it down and do the total. Next, question number 7. Same page, question number 7. Dynamic Limited of Ankleshwar. That means the head we have to give general entries in the books of Dynamic Limited, right? 30,000, 12% debentures of rupees 100 each, on which amount per debenture was payable as under. With application 35, allotment 40, first and final call 25. એપ્લિકેશન આજ તમને સમજાવવા કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરું છું, તમારે લખવાનું નથી. લખવું હોય તો જનરલ એન્ટ્રી પહેલા લખવાનું છે, બરાબર? ફર્સ્ટ એન્ડ ફાઇનલ કમ્બાઈન છે, બરાબર? કેટલી અમાઉન્ટ ડિમાન્ડ કરી છે? 35, 40, 25. That means no premium, no discount, at par, right? All the debentures were applied. એટલે કે એપ્લિકેશન કેટલી આવી જેટલી ઇશ્યુ કરી છે. That means no subscription. Palak, the holder of 1,000 shares, paid the entire amount on her holding on allotment. એટલે કે allotment વખતે પલકે એના 1,000 debentures ઉપર total amount pay કરી દીધી, right? એટલે allotment માં અહીંયા સાઈડમાં લખવાનું advance આવે છે આમાં, બરાબર? Then where Akash, the holder of 400 debentures, failed to pay allotment and call money. આ સાઈડ લખશું arrears. That means આ બંનેની રિસીવિંગની એન્ટ્રીમાં આમાં એડવાન્સ ક્રેડિટ થશે, સાથે અરિયર્સ ડેબિટ કરવું પડશે, રાઈટ? અરિયર્સ ઓલવેઝ ડેબિટ થાય, એડવાન્સ ઓલવેઝ ક્રેડિટ થાય. અને આ એડવાન્સ એટલે ફર્સ્ટ એન્ડ ફાઇનલ કોલનું આપ્યું છે, એટલે ફર્સ્ટ એન્ડ ફાઇનલ કોલમાં અહીં અમાઉન્ટ ડેબિટ કરવું પડશે, રાઈટ? સો right now we'll discuss this sum. First entry will be same, right? Bank account debit to debenture application account, right? The amount is 35 and the name of debenture is 12%. First, bank account debit to 12% debenture application account. Number of debentures are 30,000 into, we have demanded 35 rupees, right? So the amount will be 10,50,000. Into bracket bin. Application money were received from 30,000 applicants. Bracket over. The next entry will be for transferring. The entry will be 12% debenture application account debit to 12% debenture account. Amount will remain same as we have credited. That is 10,50,000, 10,50,000. Right? Into bracket we have to write bin. Application money got transferred to %12 debenture account. Bracket over until now. Right? Write it down. Next will be for allotment. અલોટમેન્ટમાં આપણે ફર્સ્ટ એન્ટ્રી આવે ડિમાન્ડની. ડિમાન્ડ કરીએ ત્યારે ખબર નથી કે આ પર્સન અમાઉન્ટ પે નથી કરવાનું ને આ એડવાન્સ પે કરવાનું, રાઈટ? 12% debenture allotment account debit to 12% debenture account into bracket bill, right? But before that we'll write the amount. Number of debentures are 30,000 into we have demanded 40 rupees with this, right? So total we have demanded 12 lakh rupees. અહીંયા સુધીનું બધું જ કોમન છે, તમને સમજાશે, right? Next time થી થોડું ચેન્જ થશે. Bill allotment money were demanded on 30,000 debentures. Bracket over and down. Right? The fourth. See. Here we have written in our book one side call in advance, one side call in arrears, right? Because Palak has paid advance and Akash has not paid the amount, right? So the entry will be bank account debit. Akash ne pay nathi karya. That means we have to debit call in arrears account. Call in arrears account debit to 12% debenture allotment account, right? સાથે પલકે એડવાન્સ પે કર્યા છે. અરિયર્સ ડેબિટ થાય તો એડવાન્સ શું થાય? ક્રેડિટ. So here we have to write to call in advance account. બરાબર? હવે allotmentમાં કેટલા ડિમાન્ડ કર્યા છે? 12 લાખ. તો ક્રેડિટ પણ allotmentમાં કેટલા કરવા પડશે? 12 લાખ. રાઈટ? હવે કોણે પે નથી કર્યા? આકાશ. આકાશ is having 400 debentures. 400 into allotment વખતે આપણે કેટલા રૂપીસ ડિમાન્ડ કર્યા છે? 40 રૂપીસ. રાઈટ? સી એડવાન્સ પલકના કેટલા શેર્સ છે? 1000. એડવાન્સ એના પે કર્યા હોય એને નેક્સ્ટ કોલના. તો નેક્સ્ટ કોલમાં કેટલી અમાઉન્ટ આપણે ડિમાન્ડ કરી છે? 25. એટલે કે પલકે 25,000 રૂપીસ એડવાન્સ પે કર્યા છે અને આ 16,000 રૂપીસ પે કર્યા નથી. રાઈટ? So 12 lakh plus 25,000, that means 12,25,000 minus 16,000. We'll get the answer 12,09,000. Means total of credit minus debit. Clear? સમજાણી કેવી રીતે આવી? નો સમજાણી હોય તો લેક્ચર રિવાઇન્ડ કરો, ફરી વાર સાંભળો. બરાબર? Into bracket we have to write bill allotment money were received except 400 debentures of Akash and Palak paid advance of call money. Call night advance and then advance for pay payment, right? Write down this too. next one will be for call money. 12% debenture, first and final call account debit, because a call no naam આખું છે first and final call account, right? 2 question માં જાય તો વહી નામ લખી નાખવાનું. 12% debenture account, 30,000 debentures into, we have demanded 25 rupees. That means will total receive 7,50,000 rupees. Right? So this is the demand amount. Into bracket bill, first and final call money were demanded on 30,000 debentures. Bracket over, underline. Next entry will be for receiving. So bank account debit. Also Akash has not paid money, right? Akash has not paid money of final call as well as allotment. So here we have to debit call in arrears account, right? As well as Palak has paid advance. Palak के allotment वक्ते ज ते final call ની amount આપી દીધી, એટલે ઈ પણ આ વખતે second time amount pay કરે નહીં, એટલે advance account શું કરવું પડશે? Debit, right? ઈ money અહીંયા utilize થશે. 2 12% debenture, first and final call account. Total કેટલા આપણે ડિમાન્ડ કર્યા છે? 7,50,000. 7,50,000 માંથી પલકે તો 1000 shares into 25 rupees advance pay કરી દીધા, એટલે 25,000 rupees, right? Second thing, આકાશના શેર કેટલા હતા? 400 into એને કેટલા રૂપીસ પે નહોતા કર્યા? 25 rupees, right? So એને કેટલા પે નહીં કર્યા હોય? 10,000. Then how will we find the amount of bank account? 7,50,000 minus 35,000, right? So we'll get the answer 7,15,000, right? Into bracket bill, first and final call money were received except 400 debentures of Akash and 1,000 debentures were paid in advance. like advance માં મળી ગયા હતા, એટલે આ વખતે આપણને રિસીવ થશે નહીં. એડવાન્સ બાય પલક લખો તો પણ ચાલે ને, ન લખ્યું હોય તો પણ ચાલે. Underline, then again underline and do the total, right? Write down this. With this we have completed this sum. Now we'll discuss question number 8. Charming Fraction Limited. For this sum, you will require 3/4 page. Right? Charming Fraction Limited issued 1,20,000, 10% debentures at a face value of 200. Each at a discount, each at a premium of 10%. That means 200 na 10%, 20 rupees. So 20 rupees is our premium. Right? કેટલા debentures issue કર્યા છે 120. Right? અને with application 100. Application વખતે કેટલા rupees demand કર્યા છે 100 including premium. That means 20 rupees plus 80 rupees. 20 rupees will be for premium and 80 rupees will be for debenture. Right? Then and balance amount on allotment. એટલે allotment માં કેટલી amount demand કરેલી હોય total કેટલી કરી છે 220. Right? So 120 allotment માં હોય premium કામ આવી ગયું છે એટલે 120 rupees સેના હોય allotment. Clear? Then these debentures were redeemable after 7 years. Applications were received by company for 1,50,000 and the allotment of rupees 1,20,000 debenture is made on pro rata basis. That means here we have to do the calculation of pro rata. Right? That means જે amount additional છે એ રિટર્ન કરવાની છે નહીં, એ ડાયરેક્ટલી શેમાં ટ્રાન્સફર કરવાની છે allotment accountમાં. Right? So આ સમજાણું બરાબર. નેક્સ્ટ પ્રો રેટાની કેલ્ક્યુલેશન શેરની જેમ જ કરીને સમજાવું છું એટલે તમને ક્લિયર થાય. રાઈટ? ટોટલ 150 એપ્લિકેશન આવી અને સામે કેટલા ડિબેન્ચર ઇશ્યુ કર્યા હતા 120. એમાંથી એક પણ રિજેક્ટ કરી નથી. રાઈટ? એટલે અમાઉન્ટ રહી 1,50,000 and 1,20,000 minus full allotment. Change rate, that means 1,20,000 and 1,50,000. So the difference is 30,000 debentures. This we have to write in advance allotment account, right? This amount we have to write in debenture account and no rejected amount is given. Right? Clear? સમજાણું હતું? લખવું હોય તો લખી નાખો. Pause the lecture. Write down. Okay? So right now I am going to write the first journal entry. First journal entry will be for receipts. See, with application we have demanded premium, so we have to credit premium account in transferring entry. That means in second entry. First entry will be bank account debit to 10%, you know, 10% debenture application account. We have received 1,50,000 application in 200 rupees. Right? That means total we have received 1,50,00,000 rupees. Into bracket bingo. Application money were received from 1,50,000 applicants. Bracket over underline. Now the second entry will be for transferring. The transferring entry will be 10% debenture application account debit to 10% debenture account, right? Then we have demanded premium. So we have to credit to security premium reserve account. Here we have to mention reserve in debenture. 2. 10% debenture allotment account. Because એ રિટર્ન નથી કરવાના, શું કરવાના છે? ટ્રાન્સફર કરવાના છે as advance, right? So in application we have to write 1 crore 50 lakh. Out of this we are accepting only 1,20,000 applications into 80 rupees of debenture and 1,20,000 into 20 rupees of premium, right? So that amount will be 96 lakh and 24 lakh. And here we have to transfer 30,000 additional application into 100 rupees in allotment. So the amount will be 30 lakh. Right? Into bracket we have to write bill allotment money, sorry, application money were transferred to %10 debenture account and additional application money transferred to allotment account advance, right? Advance amount chosen. Bracket over, underline, leave one line then next. But before discussing next, write down this too. Next will be for allotment. %10 debenture allotment account debit to 10% debenture account. We have issued only 1,20,000 into, we have demanded 120 rupees, right? That means 1 crore 44 lakh rupees we have demanded. Into bracket bill allotment money were demanded on 1,20,000 debentures. Take it over, underline. Then the fourth one will be bank account debit receiving entry, right? To 10% debenture account. But debenture allotment account. But see, total we have demanded 1,44 lakh. Out of that, we have received 3 lakh rupees advance. Right? 3 lakh or 30 lakh? 30 lakh. So, right now we are going to receive only 1,14 lakh rupees. Into bracket we have to write bill. Allotment money were received. Write it over, underline. Again do underline and do the total by yourself. Right? Total jate karwana hai. I think today we have done 3 sums, right? And that is enough for you for today's lecture. So now it's time for your homework. Your homework is illustration number 3, 4 and 5. See, I am repeating. Your homework is illustration number 3, 4 and 5. Right? So, we'll meet in our next video lecture. Till then, stay home, stay safe.